What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So viewers and subscribers, we already know about the case with Beachy Stout, his wife, who is a deceased now, Tonya McDonald, you understand, who was found in a car over in Portland, people. You know what I mean? Stab up and thing and burn up and thing and be something, people. And after that, we don't know, so them did have man in custody, man did plead guilty, man did confess and be something go on. Some man get sentencing and them thing there. While Beachy Stout is still in custody, people, but you don't know, say him not get him sentencing them yet and thing. And you don't know, say more investigation still a go on, people, because there's a lot to these things, you know. When we see these things happening in Jamaica, we feel, say, yo, I just decide the people, there's a lot to it, and you will even have some people who they behind them something at some time, and you have to think and I wonder. When it comes out to the public, it's a surprise to many, but for me and for others, it may not come like a surprise, people, because we don't know them things go, and we don't know, say, when I see things like them happen, man, there's a lot to it. So now, people, it is some information that was sent to me, you know, the attacking boss people, pertaining to the same Beachy Stout incident over in a Portland, people. And now, when me I see this thing, people, it come and me have to say, Jaja, you know, say, I pray this deep though, but you don't know, so we never get no look in for nothing upon it, people. We just keep quiet upon it and not say nothing. So now, these info are saying, people, that one of the main people who they behind this, they weren't in action, meaning they weren't the one who was on the scene and doing things towards these female people, but they were part of the plan. And now the attacking boss go tell her what go on. Because it is said that, people, Tonya McDonald, I understand who is the deceased, that is the female who was, yeah man, rest in peace. Her best friend, people, you understand, it is alleged that her best friend is part of the plot, because her best friend, who was having a relationship now with Beachy, and so she and Beachy come together and plan and plot against to get rid of this female together. But there's a lot more behind it, you know, people. But what they are saying is that her best friend is part of the plot. And as I say, people, it don't come no surprise to me, because, you know, all of this come back down to square one. Because if you remember, this is the second wife of Beachy Stout in recent years that was murdered over in Portland. And for the first wife, you know, when the story did come to boom and everything a come to yeah, story a come to booms, this a drop a ground, this a flick a ground, and everything a leak out, people. It was said that this female now, who is Tonya, was having an affair with Beachy while he was married to the first wife. And as it comes now, we don't know what good on, but first wife get rid of, and then look after he married to this female. And so it all boiled down to, you know, people, it is said that the best friend of this female is strongly behind the plot to get rid of her. Viewers and subscribers, there's a lot of things still talking in Portland about this thing, because this man is one of the most popular man over in Portland town. When me tell a popular people, have a lot of businesses over there, have buildings over there, buy out building, buy out this, own that. So his name nah go stop ring. And you nah go stop here. People who know things are go continue. Them are go continue talk and talk. You understand? At the end of the day, people, you don't know, so she's not in custody. You understand? No charges has been laid against her or anything like that. But what they are saying, people, there was an affair going on with her and Beachy. And we know how some lampile go in a Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. Oh, you mean? Especially when it comes down to money, you know. You understand? Of course, it happened over and over. Only that in some situation or most situation is when the Lampile then do take them friend man, them take it and them gone with the friend man and left the friend there over there, you understand, alive. But in this situation now is that they get rid of the friend. The friend has gone. So it was a plot that they said was planned, and she know about the whole planning. She know the whole plot to get rid of Tonya. Viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you, this is Jamaica, right? And we all have to be careful. Yeah, man, we have to be careful. And this is something where I say you can't trust nobody in our own country. Your own friends, then we sell you out. Your own brothers, then we sell you out. Your own sister, you understand, will sell you out. The same man who you come so boom every day and feed, you understand, and clothe, and give everything, show him all the love, all the respect, people. But deep down in the back of him head, you have a something around there where stuck up and in a move, where you call bad mind, where you call envy, and what you call grudge. And not even seminar pray the part where you call ungrateful, because them not think about the part, all the good things that you have done for them. But all what they are thinking about is to gain what they see you are achieving. And as so comes now, this friend who is sticked around her, because it's our best friend. Party together, do this together, do that together, people. You understand? The best friend, most time enough females, best friend always know female, best friend secret. And comes a boom. But now I gotta say nobody is, you understand, nobody is perfect. Because when I look on the whole situation, people back to basic and back to first wife in this thing. Remember what they said attacking boss. They said that the first wife, remember, you know, was killed, you understand. And at the time she was killed, Beachy was having an affair with this wife, who is his wife now, who was killed, you understand, earlier up. So when I look into the whole thing, people, the bag of mix up, the bag of drama, and me never get no info say Tonya, you understand, was a plot, or the plot to get rid of first time. Me no know that part there. But the info when come to NEWLINK now is about the plot now. You understand? So every situation is wrong there. Because while Beachy was married, she was having an affair with him, which is not good. You understand? Which is wrong. But in the end, people, it do boil down to certain way which life has been lost. And when you do see a man who is doing crueltiness and wicked things, people, remember the attacking boss tell her that. Don't believe, say, him now will turn upon you one day. Don't believe, say, you will see them doing the wickedness and behind him do the wickedness and him just do it to other people out there. Slip. And see what happen if him not slide upon you. Remember that. But in the end, people, 2 life has lost, which they can be way more way I don't know about. But because of this one that was really published and publicized out there, and I saw the attacking boss comes a boom and drop the attack, people. But in the end, people, we all have somebody where we are going to pay our prices to, which is the Almighty. So all the crueltiness and wickedness that we feel like we can't do on earth, all the vanity things that we want, we can't carry it with us. Never. You understand? So viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect. And this is how the attacking boss work. We not left story dry. And anytime info come to story, it's going to be an attack. 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 We not stop. Peace out. And be good and be safe. And remember to do subscribe and hit that notification bell. So as NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. And tap all in the notification when I hear ping. That's the attacking boss. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. You understand? NEWLINK production. Because remember, a lot of video I can't post on YouTube, you will find them on Instagram and Facebook. So make sure you follow the thing. Peace and respect. Be good and be great. And be safe. And don't trust no one. I'm out.